Hello, we're on lesson 2-3, looking at page 76, example 1. Rate of change. Rate of change is a ratio that compares how much one quantity changes on average relative to change in another quantity. If x is the independent variable and y is the dependent variable, then the rate of change is equal to the change in y over the change in x. This is sometimes referred to as change in y over change in x. So these two symbols represent change. The triangle there represents change. So change in y over change in x. Okay, here's a real world example, constant rate of change. The table shows the temperature of a solution after it has been removed from a heat source. Find the rate of change in the temperature for the solution. Use the ordered pairs 2, 139.4 and 5, 133.1. So they're using from this table right here. So we're going to find the rate of change between those two coordinates. Okay, so to do that, think of this as x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Rate of change is sometimes thought of as being slope. So m is, represents slope. You do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so y2 is going to be 133.1. y1 is 139.4. All over 5 minus 2. Okay, put that in your calculator. We have 133.1 minus 139.4. That's negative 6.3. And that's going to be all over 3. When you divide, you get negative 2.1. So your rate of change is negative 2.1. And is there a label? Okay, it's temperature over time. So it's going to be degrees Celsius per minute. So negative 2.1 degrees Celsius per minute. Like that. Alright, try to do the guided practice, example 1. Whoop. Alright, so we're looking at the graph here. You gotta find the rate of change, so it's gonna be y2 minus y1. So here's our 2 points here. We have 3, 108 and 7, 252. We're gonna call this x1, y1, x2, y2. So you do y2 minus y1. Your rate of change, or m, is 252 minus 108 over 7 minus 3. 252 minus 108. 144. All over 4. Get 36. And your label, okay, your y value is water in gallons, so it's going to be gallons per minute. Okay, always put the y value over the x, or your change in y over change in x. So your y-axis is gallons, so that's going to be first or on top, and then over your x-axis, which is per minute.